Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about our new board, which is 8-channel I2C communication board. Let me stop the noise here. We will try to cover today what is the features of this board, why it is different than the other boards in the market, and what is the I2C communication we will try to cover, and also we will try to cover some coding as well. Okay, in this example, as you see, we have ESP32, and we will try to show you also I put two boards here to show you how can we run multiple boards on I2C communication. Okay, so here is our board. We have many powering option on this board. We have Type-C powering option, we have terminal powering option, and this is for your microcontroller communication as well as with this one. Okay, I'm just trying to show you on the camera as well. These pins for SDA, SCL, and the positive and my ground also here, and same thing here as well. If you prefer screwing, you can use screw terminals as well. This is our 3 pins here. This is for the I2C communication. Depends on your selection. This board has going to have different address for I2C communication. And we have here EXL9535 chip, which is excellent chip for the I2C communication. We have here single and dual power option. Why do we need this? Because some microcontrollers like ESP32 do not have 5 volt. In order to run relays, you need to have 5 volt. So since the power coming from ESP32 is not enough, so you are going to put into the dual power, which has clearly written everything here at the back side. Your pinout map is also clearly written here, as well as with the I2C communication address. Okay, so when you have the 5 volt from microcontroller, you are going to put into the single power mod option. Okay, so this is basically your hardware, which is excellent board. Then let me run again. As you see here, this board is going this way and this board is going this way. What I am trying to show you, I am trying to manage these two boards at the same time on the I2C communication. How I2C communication works, let me show you on the image. This is your microcontroller. In my case, it is ESP32. I connected my SDA pins with the pin of one of my relay, same again SDA. And this is my other relay SDA. I connected all SDA together, and same thing for the SCL. Okay, first you need to have I2C scanning coding. This I2C scanning you can find online, and you can get the I2C address of each your relay. In my case, on this relay, I put all of them into the off, and I'm sorry, Yeah, in this case I put all of them into the on. On this one I put one of them into the off mode, which is 0 mode. So I have two different addresses here. Then I put those addresses here, then write my coding. Then after you run, one of them is going, they are going opposite side, and they are running, all of them turning on at the same time. Okay, so this is basically how it is. And let me run again. Please let me know if you have any question. Have a nice day.